Surfaces. What is this?
Surfaces.
Surface. Everybody touch the surface of the table. That's a surface. What's on the table? What's on the table? What's on the table?
Papers.
Some papers.
There are
Notebooks on.
there are notebooks on the table.
On the table.
There are some papers on the table. There's also a
Computer on the table.
and there's also a
Printer.
and there's also a
Sampler.
stapler
Stapler.
and on the table, and there's also a
The key.
Keys.
The key.
keys. There's some keys on the table. So we're talking about what?
Surface.
Surfaces.
Surfaces.
Surfaces. Right? You guys are sitting.
Yep.
Where are you sitting?
On the chairs.
On the chairs.
chairs.
On the chairs, right? You understand? Okay. With just a little something extra. When your chair does not have armrests, you are on it. Okay? But if your chair comes with armrests, oh my God, this sofa looks bad. This looks like a toilet. Okay, so these are armrests, right? Your
Armrests.
So if that happens, you are in the chair.
In the chair.
If you have armrests, if you have what?
Armrests.
If you don't,
On.
just on. Okay, are we good with that?
Yeah.
Okay. What about a desk? You are on a desk or in a desk?
In a desk.
In a desk.
Why? Because you got the front part of the desk, so you're in it. You understand? Are you on the table?
Yes.
You're not on the table, you're in the table.
In the table. Okay.
Understand? You're on, you would be standing or sitting on it. Understand?
Okay.
But we are putting our arms on the table.
Yes, you're in the table, but you're putting your arms. Good, lady. Good work. So are we good with this?
Yep.
No armrests.
On.
Armrests.
In.
Good. When you are sitting, check out this word. Stride.
Astride.
Stride.
Astride.
Stride.
Stride means with your legs separated. Stride means with your
Separate.
legs
Are separate.
when your legs are separated. So when you are on a motorcycle, you are what? How am I sitting?
Astride.
I'm sitting astride.
Stride.
Look, my legs are
Stride.
apart. I'm on a what? A horse. So I am on.
On the horse.
I am on the horse. I'm not in the horse, right?
No.
No. Okay, where am I now? On a camel.
On a camel.
On a camel. I'm on a camel. You understand? Yes, because I'm on it. Look, my legs are
On a camel.
Stride.
on a camel. My legs are separated. I'm on a
On a camel.
on a motorcycle.
On a motorcycle.
My legs are
Separate.
separated. Astride.
Stride.
I'm not in the motorcycle. I am what?
On the motorcycle.
On the
On the
motorcycle. Can you
motorcycle.
think of other forms of transportation in which we
Bicycles.
a bicycle? So you're on the bicycle. What else?
On tricycle.
On a tricycle, right? Animals that we use as transportation. On a horse.
On a horse.
What else?
On
Elephants in India.
on camels.
On a donkey. On a
Donkey.
camel. On a donkey. Okay, good. So when you're sitting astride, you are what?
On.
On. So we're gonna say on the
On the bike.
on the bike. Okay, good. When we're using devices, let's say right now with your cell phone, right? Thank you very much. With your cell phone, am I in the cell phone or on?
On.
Surface.
It's a surface.
It's a surface. So you're gonna say on the cell phone. Okay?
Call me on my cell phone.
Yes. There you go. That's it, right? So you could say I'm on the cell phone. On the cell phone. That could mean that I'm using it as well. I'm using it. I'm on the cell phone. Thank you, sir. What about the computer? Am I in the computer or on the computer?
You're on.
On the computer, right? You're not in, you're not a virus.
No.
You're on the computer. Got it? What about tablets?
On
On tablet.
On the tablet, right? We're on the computer, on the tablet. What else? Okay, so all those devices, right? On. Okay, great. Also, when we talk about all the internet stuff, so we say, where did you see it? Where did you find out about the academy? On the web.
On the web.
On the web, or on the internet. All the social media. So where did you find out? On
the social media.
On social media, just social media. On social. You could say on social. You don't need to say media.
On social.
On social. I met you on social. I saw you on social. Right? Yeah. On Facebook.
On YouTube.
On YouTube. On YouTube. What else? On
On
Instagram.
Instagram. On Tinder.
What?
Tinder.
Do people use that?
See? Tinder?
Only you do. I don't
Tinder is
know.
when you find you can match with another people to meet people.
Okay, good. Okay, great. So let's move on over here. So when we're using devices or when we're talking about social media and the internet, right? So we're going to say what, guys? We're going to say on the cell phone, on computer, on the tablet,
the tablet.
on
On the web.
The web. On the internet. On
the
social.
media.
On Facebook. On YouTube. On Instagram.
Good. So next time they ask you, where did you find out about our call center? Where did you find out about this place?
On the web.
On the web.
It came across on Facebook.
Yeah, because you came this morning. You came across Facebook. I came across your ad, right? Your ad.
If they're looking for a place on the map, right?
Yeah, you're looking for it on the map. Yes, you're right.
On the map.
On the map. Good. Now the question is, when people ask you, they ask you, are you in Facebook or are you on Facebook?
Are you on Facebook?
You are?
On Facebook.
You are on Facebook, right? That means that you have Facebook, right? You're on Facebook. You understand? Okay, great. So are we good with this? Yep. Devices to strike. Transport and movement. This is kind of tricky for some people to understand, but when you're in the car, we say in the car, not
On the car.
not on the car.
No, because you're not out.
Exactly. So why do we say in the car, Sam? In the car. Why?
Because you are surrounded
You're surrounded by the car, right?
by the car.
There's a steering wheel, right? The steering wheel. There's a steering wheel, and there's no movement going on, right? I mean, you shouldn't move inside the car. You can't move. You got a steering wheel. There's no movement, so you are where? In the car. Okay. If you are on the car, what would that be? On the roof,
The roof.
right? On the hood.